Hello guys, in this video we will see how to download and install Oracle Database 19c on Windows 11 operating system. This process is same for Windows 10 as well. Let's go to any search engine and search for Oracle Database Download. Click on this first link, that is Oracle Database Software Downloads. See, here the latest supported version is Oracle 19c is latest long-term release without widest window of support duration. So, Oracle Database 19c is the latest stable version. See, we have different zip files for different operating systems. First one is Oracle Solaris, Microsoft Windows, Linux, Solaris, Spark, IBM, HP, UX, Linux and Systemg 64-bit. If you want to go with 21c, then click on this download. Prerequisites to install Oracle Linux are you should have minimum 2 GB RAM, 10 GB of empty space on your hard disk. The process which should support Intel EM64T or AMD 64 architecture and display card with minimum resolution of 1024 by 768 pixels and 64 GB swap space if RAM is more than 16 GB. Now click on this zip file to download the Oracle Linux for Windows. Now you have to provide your Oracle account and password. If you don't have Oracle account, then click on this create account. It's free. No need to pay anything. I'm giving my username and password. Once we click on sign in, it automatically downloads. See. Download has been started. Its size is 2.9 gigabytes. I am cancelling this one because I have already downloaded. In your case, wait until download completes. Once download is completed, then create a folder in C drive. The name DB_home. Now go to the downloaded directory and extract the zip file to the new folder we have created, that is CDB home. See, this is the Oracle 19c database. Right click on it and click on extract all. Then select the newly created folder, that is CDB home. Windows, then DB home. Then select it. Then click on extract. See, files are successfully extracted. Now scroll down. Now double click on the setup application or right click and click on open or select run as administrator. Now select the first option, that is create and configure a single instance database. Then click on next. Here we have to select system class or server class. I am going with desktop class and click on next. Here we have to use or create the Windows or virtual user account. Here we have 4 types of service account can be chosen. I am going with create new Windows user. Provide the username. Then click on next. Here in Oracle base, from the drop down, select the path or click on browse and select the another path. Then automatically this database file location also has been changed. Now select the database edition. I am going with enterprise edition. Then character set. Again I am going with Unicode. Global database name ORCL. Then provide the password. It should be the combination of numbers, alphanumerical and special characters. Then create as a container database. I am keeping this as defaults. Then click on Next. Now it is checking the prerequisites. We have two sections, one global settings and another one database information. If you want to save this response file, click on the save file and save them. Then click on install. It is always better to save this one for future reference. Then click on install. See, installation process has been started. This may take time. Also notice here in the background, login information will be saved in this file. See, installation has been completed successfully. Copy this link. By using this link, we can access Oracle Enterprise Manager database. I just copied it, open new tab and paste it here. See, now we have to provide username. Username is sys and password is the password which we have provided at the time of installation. Leave container as blank and click on login. We have successfully logged in. Now click on this close button. Now we are going to connect to Oracle server. Start SQL Plus. Click on this SQL Plus. Now here type as sys DBA. See, we have successfully connected to Oracle Database 19C Enterprise. Run the select statement. These are the list of the tables or views in this Oracle database. So in this video we have seen how to download and install. Then we have seen how to connect to Oracle Database 19C on Windows 11 operating system. For more Oracle videos, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.